Hello guys, I'm Rajkumar and welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Vibes. So today I am going to discuss about one problem that I came across during an interview. Okay, so the problem was like one tech event basically runs for 24 hours. Okay, suppose it starts from 12 a.m. and it ends at 12 a.m. in the next day. Okay, so during that event, multiple sub events took place basically, and each sub event has different start and end time, and that means they can that sub events basically uh, runs for like 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, like that. So one individual, I have to basically write a program to determine like one individual how many tech events, okay, tech sub events basically one individual can attend. Okay, so like the condition is like he cannot attend overlapping events. That means if he started to attend one event, he cannot go out. Okay, he cannot go out and attend another interview. After finishing that sub event only, he can go for another one sub event. Okay, so that means suppose if one event start from 1 to 3. Okay, so he must have to complete till 3, then only he can go for any other event. Okay, so like after starting from 1, suppose at 2 he is going to attend this event, so this will not count. Basically it will not count. So how to do that, how to do this program? So here basically it is a great example of like activity selection problem. So we are basically use here the greedy approach. Okay, let's create one class. Suppose I'm giving the name tag event. Okay, and here I'm going to create one nested static class and giving the name as event. Okay, and let's suppose I am declaring two variables in start and I am creating one constructor here. Okay, okay, and we are going to write the main method. So here we would have multiple sub events. We are going to create multiple sub event object. So why we have created this nested static class? It is because it will basically it can handle those sub events. Okay, in the sub events we will have start and end time, so those objects it can handle gracefully. Okay, that's why I am creating this nested static class basically for encapsulation purpose only. Okay, this class is dedicatedly used for this tag event class only. Okay, okay, so event events. Okay, suppose one event start at 1 and end at 3. Okay, the next event let's suppose start at 2 and goes till 4. The third event let's suppose start at 3 and goes till 5, let's suppose. Okay, the fourth one let's suppose start at 4 and goes till suppose 8. Okay, and the last one let's suppose start at 8 and goes till 11. Okay, we're going to print statement here. Okay, so let's suppose we are creating another one method here. Okay, And the purpose of this method will be like, we will find out the count, okay, the maximum count that one individual basically can attend the sub events. So the return type here will be int, okay. So I'm giving the name is max event count, okay, and we're passing here the event object. Return type, return statement we are given here, and here we are declaring two variables. Suppose one is int count, okay, and another one is suppose last and time, because last and time basically it will change, okay. uh, Last and time basically it will change, like if we first of all take the first event, like it starts from 1 and 3, so initially it will be 0, then it will be 3, and if we pick this event, then the last end time will be 5, so it will be changing, okay. After that, what we have to do, we have to basically sort the events based on the end time, okay. But here it is already sorted, but if it is not sorted, then at that moment this line, okay, this sorting would be necessary, okay. Okay, here we are passing these events parameters, okay, comparing int, okay, then that expression we're doing here, here e dot, and okay, based on the end time, basically we are sorting, okay. After that, so what we will do, we will give our condition here, okay. So what condition we are going to give here, like if so suppose here we are going to create one for each loop, okay. Int event, okay. So here if event dot start basically is greater than equal to what, last end time, this one. Initially it is 0, so the if like event of start is greater than equal to last end time, then we are going to count plus 1, okay. And we will, what we will do, we will update the last end time with and time, okay. So what we have done here, if the event dot start, so initially in the first case what happened, event dot start is 1, correct, and the last end time is what we have like initialized the value with 0, okay. Since 1 is greater than 0, it will count plus plus, that means 1 here basically it is coming 1, correct, 1, okay. So an updated last end time will be what, the updated last time and the last end time will be now this one 3, correct. So 3 last end time will be 3 now, okay. After that, for this one, okay, for this object, like the start time is what, 2, start time is 2, and last end time is what, 3, correct. So 2 is not greater than equal to 3, so in this case it is not going to count 1 plus, and last end time will also not be updated, correct. Last end time will also not be uh, updated. it is basically, since this condition is not fulfilled, it is not going to enter inside. Okay. And for the third object, what is going to do, like the start time is 3, and start time is 3 here, and last end time is also 3. That means even though start equal to last end time, which is 3 equal to 3, for that it is again going to count plus plus. That means we are going to add 1 again, and here in this case the updated last end time will be 5, correct? 5. And for that, for the next event, start time is 4, last end time is 5, so it is not going to enter this if condition. Okay. And the for final one, it is the start time is 8. Okay. And last end time was 5, so 8 is greater than 5, so it is going to enter here. Okay. And it will count 1, and last end time it will update with 11, correct? So what we have to get the result as 3. We need, like, the maximum count will be 3 in this case. We need this output. Okay. And return statement, in the return statement I am going to return the count value. Okay. And the maximum sub event 1 individual can attend let's run the code. Let's see the result. So the maximum sub event that one individual can attend is 3. So this is how we can resolve the issue. Okay. So thank you guys. If you like my video, then please like this video and also subscribe to my channel Coding Vibes. Okay. Thank you for your time.